Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 3452 BDGNB. This is a bright dip gold anodized aluminum door bottom sweep. So the 3452 is representative of the fact that this is an aluminum extrusion that has an integrated drip cap. The BDG stands for bright dip gold. That's a bit more of a metallic sort of gold finish when compared to just a gold. They have gold and then they have bright dip gold. It's a bit more metallic looking. Might complement a polished brass finish a little bit better than gold. Gold is a more matte finish from Pemko. The NB means nylon brush. Okay, so this is a nylon bristle sort of sweep. There was an image below this video showing everything important dimensionally about the door sweep. Let's go over that now. Not everything important dimensionally, but you can see that it's 1.5 inches overall height, and of that you've got 1.25 inches of the extrusion. Then you've got 1/2 inch of the bristle, okay, below the drip. You've got 1/2 inch projection of the unit itself, which is typical. And where this sweep is used primarily is, well, because it's bright dip gold, it's possibly a residential application, or it might be a retail space that has polished brass hardware installed on the exterior doors, and the bright dip gold would complement it. But the structure of the door bottom itself can be used really anywhere, regardless of the finish, meaning exterior door that's either in swing or outswing, a drip cap, and anyone who has installed units that have a drip cap either down here at the sweep or at the header of the opening, which would be typically a much greater projection sort of drip cap, know how effective drip caps are at helping run the water off the face of the door or from the wall hitting the header, and not allowing it to pool underneath the door as much, then allowing the elements, the weather, the wind, to push it in. Okay, incredibly effective. Nylon brush is also very effective, and nylon brush is a superior product in many ways. First of all, it's going to be flexible in more extreme temperature ranges than a vinyl would be. Nylon brush is certainly more effective when compared to silicone or neoprene or vinyl at contouring itself to an irregular sill condition. You might have some sort of odd sill condition where it's irregular. You might have a worn out sort of sill. It might be a delivery door for a restaurant. Cart traffic goes through there constantly, and the concrete's a bit irregular. Drip cap would certainly apply to that. Those doors are generally outswing. And a nylon bristle has a better ability to contour itself to an uneven floor surface. If my fingers were to represent that uneven floor surface, you could see how well they contour just around my fingers. So that's an exaggeration, but the truth of the matter is it's proof of how well nylon bristle gets the entire bottom sealed. And in that same restaurant sort of delivery door scenario, restaurants are inspected constantly. And the inspector is looking for daylight to come through. If daylight can come through, so can pests. Nylon bristle is superior at sealing off doors. If light's kept out, well, so is the elements as well. Okay, so those would be the drip cap and the nylon brush conspire to be a very effective yet inexpensive, reliable sort of door sweep. Available in all the common finishes: mill aluminum, dark bronze, the gold, satin nickel, painted white. You can probably even get a clear anodized aluminum as well. Available in several different lengths on the website. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is if you had to take this 48-inch piece and cut it down to, say, 44-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole that's there. Then the next one's all the way over here. Speaking of those slotted holes, screws are included. Sorry. I'd like to show you those screws. Screws are included in a complementary finish. If you were to cut this down to 42 inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole. If you were to order a custom length, we'd not only locate the first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. It's nice to have the slotted holes from the factory because not every sill is level and not every door is plumb. Not every condition is exactly going to be, the same across the entire bottom of a door. You might have some sort of irregular situation. It could be that when you're pre-drilling your holes, your drill bit has walked a little bit if you've not used a center punch when you're going to pre-drill those holes. So that slotted hole helps compensate for all of those conditions, especially when you're dealing with an irregular floor surface as well. Not to forget the fact that some people will want bristle because of that ability. Your ability to then tailor this exactly on the door is directly related to the effectiveness of it. So if you ordered a custom length, we'll not only locate that first slotted hole here at the proper dimension, proper centers as well. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related, not only door sweeps like this, but perimeter gasketing and thresholds. Material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze. They have a comprehensive offering of steel vision frames for use in steel and wood doors, aluminum continuous geared hinges, and sliding door hardware used for both commercial and residential applications as well. If you have any questions on the Pemko 3452BDGNB, bright dip gold anodized drip cap, nylon brush style sweep, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us.